So today I'm gonna try and complete Monkey Up. So let's go. Here we are. Let's get this monkey up here. Where is it? There we go. Load, 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 load. So we just reached checkpoint 1, so let's go and carry on. My god, there's a really long way up. I forgot to say to you guys, but I had a punishment if I fallen down. Oh no. So the punishment is I have to act like a random YouTuber, like with 1 sub. So I think I'm gonna put my name as Timmy VR. So let's go into the lobbies and try and say to them I'm a real YouTuber. Anyway, let's go. Yo guys, I'm the real Timmy VR. Guys, I'm a real Timmy VR. Purple. I'm the real Timmy VR. Bruh. Come on, Nat.
Oh my god, Timmy VR. I'll let you borrow.
Yeah, alright, Timmy VR. Yeah, I'm the best. I'm the best YouTuber. So we just completed the challenge. It's gone very horribly. But anyway, I will see you in the next one. Good